So I got to ask this question. If people are always misspelling my name in my email address, is there a way that I can create a secondary or an alternative email address in my Google Workspace account so that I can get email messages even when they misspell my name? And the answer is yes, and I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So you got to be the admin manager. So I'm in my Google admin for my domain. I am the administrator. You go to users. In users, you click on the person's name. And you'll see down here in the toolbar that there is add alternative emails. When you click on that, you can see my primary email address is tlburris@teddyburris.com. But what I've also got is I've added teddy@teddyburris.com and I've added tlburris@teddyburris.com as alternative email addresses as well. So I can add another one if I want to. I can add lee@teddyburris.com, and that will say all email messages that are lee@teddyburris.com get delivered to tlburris@teddyburris.com. Again, domain administrator, go to users, select the user, and scroll down to where it has alternative emails, and you can add up to 30 alternative emails at no extra cost per user. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful.